Pararara. Ok. Ah, tem mais ainda bem? Bom, alright. Na minha curva de... bom, nós estamos entretanto live. Nós estamos na outra banda. Me curva uma... it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Nós estamos na outra banda. Na, de área de... nós estamos eigenlijk 60 plus. Na minha maximum, por maneira, bal to ekoki, tutum. Anto, ok. Bom. Tada! Bom, nós estamos na outra banda. Nós estamos na 60 plus. Anto, Nohelani. Nohelani. Ok. Nohelani. Tabay launch su track nobo. Arami moesten we zijn kind Nohelani. Anto, igreja ko sa ako Nohelani. Ato Nohelani. Taram. Ting Jesus ay no? Jesus ay no. Helani ting Jesus ay. Unji sige mi tabay papi ko niya. Pero entretanto yela po ni turso ko ng klaka. Abo pa sombra. Bobo bay wakari ba YouTube tambe. Ato su YouTube channel ay nang. Kaya hindi anto su YouTube channel yama. Kaya ang YouTube channel?
Noah R.
Noah R. Okay, anto como descrever isso?
N-O-A-H-R.
Okay. Noah R. Esse é su YouTube channel. Bom, okay, you can go ahead. No helani, popo. Ambos anda by conta aqui. Não, wait. Só na minha pira. Okay. Ok. Bom.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There goes the upload. Oh, it's publishing. Aha, ito publishing ka ba? Hey! Okay. Bom, mas eu vou aqui uma quantidade de gente que tem. Para launch de track novo aqui, não? De Nohelani. Ok. Para launch de track novo de Nohelani. É tá arriba YouTube. Então, disse que era também de conversar com eles. Para contar um pouco eigenlijk de não somente su track novo, pero até emotions. Esse é o título disso. Emotionless. Ok. Então, aqui para mim, biaco treino também o lyrics video, na minha por ensina. Ok. Bom, lá nós vamos isso aqui está launching the emotionless. Então, a igreja que eu saco Nohelani tem Jesus aí, então é mesta hazi su track não, que mendi é mesta skibi su canção não, e é mesta compone su canção não também. Agora que não se vai aqui para promebia, então logicamente pode vai aí. Ok. Bom, entretanto, nós estamos pendente para é tema de Nohelani. Kuta artista de Jesus Aya. Ok. Aha. Okay. We got signs.
So, how'd you like it? It was great. It was so good. I'm so proud.
Add it to my favorite playlist. It's so good. Hope people.
It was really good, Noah.
I'm proud of you, Noah.
I thought your first song was good, but literally this one, I like this one. I love it.
It was amazing. I'm really proud of you.
Okay.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Alsjeblieft. Bota baila namin, bota baila.
No.
Okay, bota baila replay, bota baila replay. Sí, un biamazo. We want more. We want more. We want more.
We want more. We want more. Do you really want the dance?
Yes.
Okay, it's your decision. So, it's your call.
No. You can dance with me.
Okay. Nanta baila wo na may wag. Nanta baila wo. Aha. Una po sa nanta baila inang. Aha. Ta-da! Okay. Here comes the artist.
binera para mim. E é cheio de Yuri. Só o festival, vamos para o vamos ser Ok, Lani, roupa e boca. Que ele não achou que esse não achou. Eu subi quando eu subia completo.
Awog mi di bay papi kunin. Ore di suka ba? No succede como que ellos tienen que ir. Ok. Bek, sabay papi. Nasa biscuit pro me, kam.
Okay ba?
Aha. Okay, bom. Niet bij conversatie con Bek, pero ook muziek te bezig no, so track ta. Ah! Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, meeting by conversation rato ko. Awo meeting ko, basukada ba meeting ko man parda wak bo number. Baso echt meeting man aha. No hele niet. No hele niet, toch? Als je, no. Noelani, okay? Noelani. Bindiki masasina. Bindiki mazilanti. Like, okay. Dari na mit man adjust nos camera bindiki masasina. Yes. Ja. Ando bindiki masu. Asina din ba yari. Okay. Now we're good in shot. I want to in shot. Nohelani, toch? Nohelani Riedel. Ela traço mes disco. Eta traço mes disco nan. Toch? Bom mes cantica nan.
Mira escrevi na mi mes, imita tra com que bazona, e depois vai na TZM Studio Pack cabe.
Okay, pa bom manier acaba de track. Okay. How long have you been doing this? Papi ko niya in English, pero papi ko mina English back. How long?
I've been writing since I was 6, and I've been singing since before I could talk.
Okay. You were singing since before you could talk?
Yes.
Okay.
Like just going,
Okay. Awo, Nohelani, Kombing eigenlijk decidi van I want to do this.
Well, peora I'm that chiquito. Or maya sa Kiko un canta ata I'm da kita bira uno.
Okay, que me di fuori ora bota chiquito ko mira lo que un cantante tan así, bodi okay, sei mi que bayas.
Sì.
Ando quata e artista nan con un momento bota ta wak of ko bota mane Misa, Rihanna, I don't know.
Eu tenho uma lista. Ed Sheeran,
Okay.
Fifth Harmony,
Fifth Harmony.
Little Mix, Billie Eilish, Camila Cabello. Tem Hopi artista. Shawn Mendes, tem Hopi artista comigo gusta.
Okay.
Me echt nobo.
Okay, por example, ba menciona Ed Sheeran como de promenang. Why? What is it that you like about him?
Songwriting capabilities, storytelling is amazing. Just his lyrics are so good, like they're so relatable, and also his voice is fantastic.
Okay. Agora, para mim bem back riba bo track, mes, que meni track riba YouTube ka, ko yama bo YouTube channel?
Noah R.
Okay, so YouTube channel yama Noah R. How do we spell that? Noah R. Let me watch me mire kami riba. Okay, no. Okay, no so many que me di pa mi spell ba bo ba riba YouTube rin. Okay, like Noah. Noah. Mane po to skibi Noah? Noah R. Okay. How come the name Noah R?
Well, my full name is Noelani, but my friends call me Noah or many other names, but like Noah is a popular one, and then R is just the first letter of my last name.
Okay, que me di su nombre artístico ta Noah R. Dus wat is skibi Noah R. Dus eigenlijk ora bij riba YouTube, bobo ni gewoon riba YouTube Noah R. Emotionless ando eri na botahan eri na okay, right?
Sì.
Taram. Que me di eri na nos bewa quando views ting que me di by riba YouTube riba Noah Noah R. Miti ba cambie mi title tama. So rin alam mo po ni Noah R. Basta to brand your name already, no.
But like it's both. Noelani Rito, Noah R. Guaco kubage yamami.
Pero riba YouTube nandahan ya riba Noah R. No?
Yep. No.
Okay. Agora, contame di emotionless. Kung ba ka na emotionless?
I'm in the carta. Honestly, pas mi sinisibi hobi kantika, pero amisa ku maskibi e maskibi na 3 different versions di kantika aqui. Te ora ma pecuno, espes na skol mahaya melody ku amta kepa eta.
Okay. Kemendi, okay, prometo may bin background. But bisa ba skibi hobi kantika? Kemendi, quanto kantika sinabuting mais ou menos skibi ka ba?
Masco 34.
Abrir?
Masco 34.
Okay, mas ko 34 kantika buting skibi ka ba? Kubo mes a skibi.
Si, skibi yung na parts, places na yung goes mo ding skibi.
Sim, so prometo kantika bira version, final version, but iman different version ko.
Si, yung versions, pieces, parts, words.
Okay. Pero que mendi buting mas ko 34 kantika skibi ka. Anto turta na English of buting kantika manen na otro lenga tama ko sina.
Mi sa English so porta mit yung ding Espanyol, pero no sa. Porta no sa. Basta waka trobe.
Okay. Que mendi bota manen gewoon skibi diferente kantika nang kubuting. Anto ko school ba?
International school.
Okay, but by international school. Okay. Anto all right. But the skibi bo kantika na. Mo tin just dos ai, que mendi Noah R, tin just dos ai. Anto mesta skibi su kantika na, que mendi mesta compose, bo mesta canta nan tame to.
Si.
Okay, all right. Awo anto babi sami for di chiquito no nado momento ba kumisa ka ba di this is what I want to be. Anto kyora ba kumisa skibi kantika yore?
On that thing say sign.
Ora bo dating 6 ai ba kumisa skibi kantika?
Si.
Okay. Okay, let me reveal un secret aqui não. Mas mira, hopi artista grande, hopi artista com aweta mané, artista grande no nado momento. I was sitting like asini kinang, sama mané, ito sinta kuno asini kinang like when nobody knew them or not a lot of people knew them already. Artista lokal, ando dispero na mané bira grande, okay, bo. Bira popular, não pode dizer. So, me também guarda streamer aqui, because you never know. Awero ora bota mané. Internationally known kukone. I'm the first one, but I think the first interview. Of no?
Di dos cantica.
Die dos kantika. Okay, die dos kantika. Met de promeong ba dating first interview die dos kantika. Awo. Kwata te prome?
Heartbreak.
Heartbreak?
Mas kibe orang tating DSI.
Okay, heartbreak bas kibi ora ba dating die?
So take it easy.
Okay. Awo, okay. How did that one come? Kemeni kung heartbreak bing? That's not the question. Pero
I'm not gonna tell you. It's just heartbreak.
okay. You had a heartbreak then.
I thought it was a heartbreak.
You thought it was a heartbreak.
I was so dramatic. But it's fine. But the thing is, look. So it wasn't actually that bad. But just songs, you're just supposed to make it more dramatic to make it better. So
Okay.
I just made it dramatic.
Okay. Kemeni bahasye eigenlijk un tiki mas dramatico kueta. So it's kind of like about a boy or the song is related to a boy or not?
No, it's whatever. It's like whatever you want it to be. It could be a dog, a pet, your friend.
You had a heartbreak about a dog and you wrote a song?
I guess so.
You guys believe that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, right. Oh no, yeah, right. Oh, a bunny. It was a.
No, buddy.
Oh, buddy. Okay. Kemeni nanta tapa piano nanta manefa. Yeah. Okay.
Those are real friends right there.
Those are real friends right there, right? Okay, now, back on emotional. Never mind the heartbreak. Lego Maya heartbreak. Back on emotionless, right? Okay. How did that one come true? What happened there?
Emotionless? Okay, so emotionless, I'm talking to myself and to this non-existent person. So the person doesn't exist because when I write songs, I like what I do is that because I don't experience a lot of things because I'm 12, can't really do much at 12. So then what I do is that I imagine what thing would feel like, or I just feel something and then make it more dramatic. That's how it works for me, anyways. So then I'm talking to myself and a person that doesn't exist. So a person.
Okay, so emotionless is about persona imaginario rin ang. So
Then
it's not like heartbreak that was about.
no comment. I'm not saying anything about heartbreak.
Hey, you're already getting to the net. Umbeki na ora bira popular ya saka no comments. No comments.
Heartbreak is abstract. Whatever you think it is. Whatever you think it is.
Okay. Well, whatever I think it is. Okay. We're not talking about heartbreak. We're talking about emotionless. All right. So you're gonna send it to the radio?
Emotionless?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it's already on social media. Kami niya ka babubuwaki riba YouTube, etc. So what you brought out is a lyrics video, right?
Yes.
Like a lot of artists do. Kami ni Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran, doon po ni lyrics video. So you did a lyrics.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the next step? Like a video clip or thinking about that?
Thinking about doing a video clip, possibly, cause I'm thinking about it, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Our kiko te ideia, bota vai seguir saca mais cantica, bota vai seguir tramas paso bota bisa botin mania 34 pero ando emotionless é de dois cubo a publish, right? Do I get it right?
Yep. See.
Esse é de dois cubo a publish, emotionless. Prometa da heartbreak. Ando é de dois ta emotionless, okay? Bota vai seguir saca mais cantica?
See. Yes.
Okay, que mendi ori nang kunado mento portata vai bira mane album of cocina.
You could say that.
Okay. Awo bota mane riba Spotify ku esse DID ku no nado mento bota vai pone riba mane streaming service que mendi mi dibi sun kono Tidal di Jay-Z, but you never know no que mendi pouco de mito ako muito mo Nicole Boss que mendi nado mento Jay-Z di muito mo mane same you so you never know but pone riba Tidal riba Spotify, is that in the planning?
Yes, it's gonna be in Spotify tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah.
Mayang ito riba Spotify. Okay, kami mayang ito riba Spotify ka ba? Kung ano kami ito riba Spotify, ito riba YouTube o Woki ka ba? Toch? Ito riba YouTube o Woki ka ba? Kami ito riba YouTube o Woki ka ba? Ito riba Spotify mayang. Anto portable ba usa mas stream platforms?
See, so I'm meeting it.
Riba Bonds TV, kami nos bro Bonds TV, ito riba Bonds TV dame. Kami ito riba Bonds Kaya ko ta bondstv.com? Okay. Bounce, dus BOUNCA, assim da bounce.tv. Alright, iriba nang dami botanya. Okay. So it's on social media, it's on the streaming platforms. Kami hindi okay nang amite ba ito kaya riba radio tami may inter riba Sky 88.9. De Morgan may inter ba ito ka emotionless. Paso mi no haya heartbreak. Kami in no ket to ka heartbreak. Can I play heartbreak too?
You can do whatever you want.
Oh, okay, bon. No, I'm just asking, no, but okay.
The more publicity for me, so like it's fine.
Okay. Kami di emotionless ta track nobo rin andi Noah. Okay, remember the name, huh? Noah R.
Yes, that's me.
That's her. Noah R. Ando Noah R launch su Club Nobo. Hobi succes din futuro.
Mashalaki.
Ando mita expert di pa so magusta e track mo din sentido ko bota kumi sa baile riba je like bota kumi sa baile riba je okay primeiro meeting interview okay nang bom mensaje muziek também.
Sí, ore matra okay, ore riba e piano matra chords lang ku am take pa melody is bes ma bay na eti mz stu- TZM
TZM.
TZM studio y nang nosotros cuatro pa tra e beat y tu cosa
Okay. Ando bumesa man escorre e bita me kubuke like say man this is how it should feel.
yes
Okay.
sí
Okay, great. Okay, Noah Art in Jesus anya e mes skibi e mes acanta tanto heartbreak como emotionless. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Ah, wait, ko ba bire great. Bom rato. Ki kobota papia. Noah, okay, Noah, a minha ideia mabu Noah, porque me é mais fácil, é mais comercial também, ok? E Noah, ok, me tem sabe na papiamento para não lubida, ok? Ora o bire popular no lubida, me ama Morgan e bom. Don't forget about me, que me diga, avero, sim, no, avero, bata mané, com Jay-Z, com Kanye, then you remember, you follow? Ok, bom. Noah, tabay doon nos umpida, que me di botar si, bota toca viol.
sí pa 4 años onde segui 5 años
5 anos.
sí
Ko bota toca viol. Ok, Noah tabay toca umpida viol o okay dan. Ladies and gentlemen, world, okay, wara, bones, laga nos, wait a sec, laga bones ka, ba di stel up again, ba so Noah tabay namin, may man bay, un tiki sine ki, ya no saya, un shot, un tiki mag-grade trobe di, Noah R, que me di, corde nombre, Noah R. I believe? Ah, no, sinta ba gina, amit schrijf, sinta, pabukita din shot sino, okay, like that, you have to stay in the shot, alright, bo. If you need a manager, okay. Tadam! Ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, kubos ng umpida riba viol di Noah R. Wow! Whoa! Humble! Wow! Okay, Noah Art da Judico Show, eh? Born and bred. Mama ko tata to rin da Judico Show, okay? Guarda bom, ora bota si ka Jay-Z no lubida ko na Okay, alright. Kaya may nimita man niya kumisibisi ko feo wari kaya. Okay. Bato ka wari ng himno di Corsaw ko bu feo, right? Pero lost for the himno di Corsaw, bato ka otro manera.
sí diga mi sa
Anto manera ding emotionless tambe ti man botahin ke ko idem mes music
no ainda pero sí au por que sí de comenzar tipo ne yo también
Okay. Comportable wat manera experimenta. Mas umita tende manera por exemplo gewoon modern music kuting manera violin je ko konin sino.
like Consequences by Camila Cabello.
Okay. Ah, you like that? Okay, Butin, what is it about Camila Cabello?
Oh my gosh, don't get me started.
Yeah, so start.
Songwriting capabilities, voice personality, oh my gosh. All her hard work that she's done to get here.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay. Bos aqui comida high grade, paso bahas si mention di dos artista, bahas si mention di Ed Sheeran, y bahas si mention di Camila Cabello. Kuta dos, lo que a mí te llama authentic, que meninanta hopi genuine como artista. So, den sentido que na nota hobi image que me botinho hobi artista que timbiata image ku publicidade ku mercadeio ku koni nanta hasi artista, pero ting artista que tá echt really genuine and very close to the art. Ando e koita sigur di Ed Sheeran ida me sigur di Camila Cabello. So, that is what we can expect more the Noah R.
Yeah, for sure. Because all the stuff that I write is very close to my heart because, you know, I wrote all of it, so it all has like a personal meaning to me. Even though it might not have happened to me per se, but it felt like it happened maybe.
Okay. Como tá se saco bota like okay, this song feels genuine. Like when do you feel like okay, the song is ready to come out?
So I,
Like with Emotionless.
Motionless, I felt like it was ready when after like I sang it the first time, and then it just felt right because the thing is each word in a song, they like have a certain note that they're supposed to be to like make them sound good to me anyways. So like every time I like see a word, there's like a certain note that I add to it to like make the word like sound the best it can be. It sounds weird, but trust me, it helps. So then after I like sang the whole Emotionless, and like I felt like each word had its correct tone and sound and voice, I was like, okay, this is ready. I'm good.
Dankie Noah R. Hobby dankie. Een applaus, a big hand for Noah R. Hey, maar kijk, echt impressed. I like this, brother. Oh, mira. Okay, like Havana by Camila Cabello.
Don't listen to me though. No.
Okay.
I didn't practice. I need practice stuff.
Okay, you need. Okay, well,
It needs to be good. Can't be.
Okay, well, so we're gonna get something else.
Yes.
Okay.
It's Bach, I think.
Okay. Great. Die komt bescoren violin.
I'm not escolar, mas sombra data mas chiquito. Mi mamá data a ponerme de un clase de violín na mi escola. Y después me gusté y oré para que de toque.
Okay. Great, hoppie succes, Noah. Dat is echt hoppie great die thee. En door die connoisseur buntiki. Kom, wat ga je, mami?
Morgan.
Okay. If you remember that, ja, me te contento, because ora boto zeggen Jay-Z.
Morgan.
Okay, yeah. So tell him Morgan from Curaçao.
Morgan from Curaçao.
Kom maar. Dankie Noah. Dankie Noah. Echt hoppie great.
Thank you for interview me. Thanks.
Okay, nice hoppie great No, sabab je ku Noah anto korabo may riba su YouTube channel. Noah R, dat is een YouTube channel. Emotionless. Esse está su track nobo. Know what in Jesus aya. Young YDK talent in the making, on her way to Jay-Z. Pô, big man, of no. Hey, no? Success machine. Bom, what I mean, man, okay, adjust aqui, drawer. Yeah. Ta-na-na-na-na-na, pam, pam, ta-na-na-na-na-na, pam, pam. Of no? Eko é mania que é ah? Você eko da que é da como ta-na-na-na-na-na, pam, pam, ta-na-na-na-na-na, pam, pam. Bom, amo. É isso não, me também será stream. Gezellig allemaal. Não sei se je gezellig mis, maar ik ben daar ik nou. Circa Noah R. En tot dat gezellig komt aan joint aan. Share ik ben die share. Like, share. Ja, maar zijn dit te zien kon ze Noah R. Thanks komt aan wak oraat ik dan till the next one. Na pam pam oh no da que é melodia da que é uma cabeça pam pam ando me gusta que emotionless na me vai busca eco para mim mané para me download para me lost me então bom que nós primo um parigo aqui para nós pagar um parigo ablif não, a vendidos nem cassete, mas nós estamos com download agora. Sim, nós estamos download agora. Sim. Esse senhor diz como se me disse cassete.